Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on the whiteboard that suppose x equals 3 powers square root of 2 plus log basis 3 of x is an integer. Determine the values of it. This we have this equation. And now to solve this, we have to get the condition. Okay, so now we use condition. Okay, sorry. Condition. Okay, so we have condition is log function. So the condition is h is positive. So condition is h is positive. And this equation is in the square root. So we get it positive or equal 0. And we get it this 2 plus log basis 3 of x is bigger or equal 0. And this I change 2 from the left hand side to the right hand side, so I get log basis of 3 of x is bigger or equal minus 2, and then this we change it, so we use the rule that we have log basis a of x is bigger than k, so we get it is bigger than a power k. Then we have a is bigger than 1, and this a is equal 3, so a bigger than 1, so we get x is bigger than 3 powers minus 2, and also this h is bigger or equals 1 over 3 square. And now that we have condition is h is bigger or equals 1 over 9, and this h is positive, and this h is bigger or equal 1 over 9, so we get h is bigger or equal 1 over 9. Okay, now we have the condition, so we can solve our equation that this h equals 3 powers square root of 2 plus log basis 3 of h. Okay, and now we can put log basis 3 out both sides of this equation, so we get log basis 3 of x equals log basis 3 of 3 powers square root 2 plus log basis 3 of x. And now this we can use the rule that we have log basis a of b's power n. We can take m is on front of logs, so this we take this in front of log, so we get log of 3 of x equals square root of 2 plus log basis of 3 of x multiplies log basis 3 of 3, and this we use the rule that we have is log basis a of s is equal 1, so this is equal 1, so we get log basis 3 of x is equals square root 2 plus log basis 3 of x. and now this log basis 3 of x, and now this log basis 3 of x. So now we substitute t equals log basis 3 of x, and so we get t is equals square root 2 plus t. And now we have this equation. To solve this, I raise both sides of this equation to square. So we get t squared equal square root 2 plus t all square. And this square root and this squares, we can simplify it. So we get t squared is equal to 2 plus t. And now this, I can change to split t from the right side to the left hand side. So we get t squared minus t minus 2 is equals 0. And this, we can use multiply cross to get these two factors. That we have t squared is equal t and multiply t. And minus 2, we get minus 2 and multiply 1. So t multiply 1, we get t, and t multiply minus 2, we get minus 2t, and this we adding it, we get minus t. It's the same this. Okay, now this we can write it to factors is t minus 2 and multiplies t plus 1 is equals 0. And now this we have two factors is equal 0, so we get t minus 2 is equal 0 and t plus 1 is equal 0. So we get t is equal 2 and this t is equal minus 1. So this, if t is equal to, we get log basis 3 of h is equal 2. So then we can find the values of h is equal 3 squared and equals 9. And if t is equal minus 1, gets log basis 3 of h is equal minus 1. And we get h is equal 3 power minus 1 and equal 1 over 3. But this we know that h is an integer. So thus h is equal 9. And this we not use it. Thus h is equal 9 is our solution. Okay. Say what for change. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channels and turn on notification bells for more exciting videos. Goodbye.